How to fix Roblox cursor going off screen. The very first thing you want to do is to right click and then head over to display settings. Inside display settings, you'll get to see the option of scale. You need to set the scale as it is recommended. Click on it. You can see I have already set it to recommended. Now head over to display resolution. Similarly set the resolution as recommended. Once it is done, now the next thing you want to do is, over here you'll find the search bar. Click on it and then search for Microsoft Store. You need to click on this option. Right now you can see it is detecting the problems. Wait for a while. Now tap on next. Again it is detecting the additional problems. Wait for a while for it to complete. Once the process has been completed, what you want to do is, you have to restart your device, and the problem you have been facing will be solved and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to fix Roblox cursor going off screen. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.